Hey everyone, so this video I filmed a while ago, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw it up because it's quarantine. Everyone wants stuff to watch. So this is me installing some carbon quarter panels on the Z, and then at the end of the video, I'll show you guys what the Z looks like and its kind of final product. What's going on everyone? Welcome to today's video. So I think this might be the last carbon install. I don't know. I really love carbon fiber. I don't know what it is, but like this year carbon fiber has just grown on me big time. Like, I don't know, I just love it. So anyway, because I love carbon so much, I bought some carbon fiber quarter panels for the 370. I know, dumb, right? But anyway, these are them. They look beautiful, made by Crown Carbon, same company that makes these doors. So we already have this door on the other side and it looks super good, fit perfect. So these are gonna match perfectly, and the weave goes the same direction. So gosh, I hate these trains. So basically it just overlays on here, kind of covers everything up, and then I'll end up riveting it on. Oh, by the way, these are stupid light. Like, this thing probably weighs less than 2 pounds. Anyway, I need to find a cutoff wheel, and I'm gonna mark a line and cut this. I have no idea where to cut. I'm just gonna kind of send it. Also, I've been working on the 240 a little bit, so there's gonna be a video or two coming out of working on this. And we're kind of getting things put together, and hopefully we can have this car working soon. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is tape off the quarter panel. I got a Dremel right there, and then I got some tape. So we're just gonna do like a random tape line. Like I said, I really don't know where exactly to cut, but I think I'm just gonna try and cut like here and over or something. I'm switching over to the GoPro. Actually, I almost forgot. The first thing I need to do is take off all that wrap. Luckily, there's not much left, so let's get that off. Oh, I should probably use a heat gun. My shop is such a mess right now. So it's gonna be like zzz, zzz, zzz. Okay. It broke my tool. Are you kidding me? I need a grinder. I never got my grinder back. Last time I lent it to someone. That's why I don't lend tools to people. It's pretty thick metal. You're kidding me. It snapped this. I don't think I have another. What am I gonna do now? That sucks. This is dumb. This is flame, not cloud. I don't even know what it's about. Watch your mouth. I should probably go get a grinder because this is gonna look like crap. I know that was pretty cringy, so I apologize. We're just gonna go ahead and just put them on because I just Googled it. They're not any wider. I thought they were wider, but I guess they aren't. So they're overlays. So I can just put those straight over this and not cut. So just ignore this. It's gonna get cut at some point once those ones get destroyed. But now that I'm thinking about it, having a little bit of reinforcement behind here might actually save them from exploding. So I don't know. I think it's gonna work out for the best. I know I got an ugly hole now, but you won't be able to see it once those are on. So anyway, I'm gonna get some tape and I'm gonna get these aligned properly, and then we'll start smoking holes, popping rivets in, and it should be that easy to get them on. A couple pieces of tape here. It's gonna go like this. No, it needs to come down. I can't decide what I'm gonna do, so I'm just gonna literally just send it with some screws and rivets. Probably a bad call, but whatever. I've been actually just sending it here. I didn't cut anything, and I went ahead and threw a few rivets in. Solid. This is actually perfectly aligned with that lip, so you can't even see it. Got a rivet there, so I'm gonna put another one like right here. I'll put one in the middle right here, another one up here, middle here, one here, and that should be good enough. And what's nice is, since I kept that metal behind there, this is super sturdy, so this could actually take some hits and not just instantly explode. Which is gonna be great for what I'm using this car for, obviously. Oh, jeez. Slip you in. Boom. Boom. Perfect. Boom, baby. One more here and this will be perfect. Okay, so I finally got it mounted. I'm super stoked. These things look incredible. Obviously they're dirty. I gotta wipe them off, but there's like a little, you know, there's a little flex here and there, but it's all right. I don't want to put too many more rivets on there. I don't want to clutter it up. I got one right here, one here, one here, one here, there, and yeah. So nice and simple, not too many, nothing crazy like what I have going on over here with them all over. These, I wish I would have got black rivets. I'll probably like spray paint them or black Sharpie or something. I haven't decided yet. You really can't notice them and I'm not too worried about it. But now that this side's done, looks great. That lip I was gonna cut, you can't even tell. I'm gonna go ahead and move to the other side. Alright, so the other side is pretty much done and I found a Sharpie and I'll show you guys the other side. But what I was doing was I was just going around with the Sharpie and just coloring these all black. And it makes a pretty big difference. Look at that. So that's what it was before. Boom. Let me show you guys the other side. I still have about 3 rivets to do on this other side. This side I'm kind of not doing the best on. I messed up a little bit, as you can tell. The drill bit's been slipping a lot for some reason. I think I need a new bit, but I'm just gonna try and finish this out. Like that one's a little annoying, but it's whatever, you know. It like I always say, guys, it's a drift car, so it's okay. So anyway, I'm gonna get this side finished up. And I'll show you guys the final product with the carbon door and the carbon quarter. Look at this. Smooth transition too. Boom! Look at that, guys. So I got the quarter on the passenger side on. And I kind of Sharpied those. I might go over them once more once it dries a little more. But the carbon door with the carbon quarter, crazy. So now the only problem is I need to figure out how to transition the purple into this, into that. So my ideas were put a line like right here or something. And then this half is purple, this half is all carbon and fades into that carbon. But I really need you guys' ideas for this because I have no idea what I should do and how I should transition that purple into it. I thought about doing maybe purple, carbon, purple, carbon, purple, carbon, and then just fade it all the way into the rear, but I just don't know. So anyway, that should be it, guys, for all the carbon on this thing. I don't think I'm gonna be getting any more carbon just because it's kind of dumb, because it's gonna get destroyed. But next thing we're gonna be doing is lowering this thing because it is monster truck. We should have the bumpers back, get those on, finish up the wrap, and this thing should be ready to rip. Besides power steering rack, radiator, axle, and a few other small things. It's always something with a drift car, but anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like the carbon and all the carbon on this thing. I got a big old mess to clean up, so make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, Berner. Peace out. Okay, so I got the front bumpers all wrapped by Yellow Brick Wraps. His name is Miles. I'll put his Instagram in the description if anyone wants bumpers wrapped. He killed it. It literally looks like paint. He did such a good job. Look at that. Fire. Let me show you the rear really fast. Killed the rear. Looks amazing. The rear is my favorite. I can't really get a wide angle of it because it's kind of close to the wall right now. So maybe I'll throw in a picture or something, but he killed the bumpers. They look insane. So yeah, this car's looking nuts with the carbon quarters, the carbon doors, which I did go ahead and wrap just because I think it looks a lot better like that. Look at that. So yeah, roof I did wrap too, and I can't decide if I should wrap the hood or not. You guys gotta let me know if you think I should wrap the hood because I can't decide. But anyway, that's the 370Z. Gonna get wheels, gonna lower it, and then it should be set for 2020 if we ever get to drift because of Corona. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Oh, I also tinted the headlights, just a little mild tint on those. And I did a little mild tint on the taillights. Boom, look at that. So just small touches, but yeah, let me know what you guys think of the Z. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. For my cooler giveaway is still going on. It's gonna be going on for a little bit, so I'll put the I'll put how to enter down in the comments or description, so make sure you guys check that out. And stay safe. Follow me on Instagram, Berner. Peace.